A snowy day is in store for the high-lying areas of the Western Cape, the southern parts of the Northern Cape and the western areas of the Eastern Cape. Snowfalls are also forecast over the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape, extending northwards into Lesotho. Now, it's going to be pretty chilly this Thursday over the western and central parts of the country. However, we are going to stay with fairly warm temperatures over the northeast, particularly over Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. In the evening hours, rainy weather is going to set in across KZN. Rain showers are also forecast over parts of the Free State Northwest, extending eastwards into Gauteng. Now here's a look at the chance of you seeing any rain or snowfall in your area. Up to a 40% chance of rain showers is forecast this evening over parts of the Northwest and the Free State as well as Gauteng. A 40% chance of rain across KwaZulu-Natal. Over the Southwest, a 40% chance of rain and snow is forecast where you see that light shade of blue. The chance of rain increases as we go further south towards the Garden Route. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for heavy rains which could exceed 50 millimeters in the next 24 hours over the south coast, extending from Cape Agulhas into the Port Alfred area, including the adjacent areas. A warning is also in place for snowfalls wherever you see that shade of red. Now here's a look at those afternoon temperatures. Like I said, it's going to be pretty chilly over the central and western parts of the country. Look at Sutherland managing a high of just 5 degrees, 8 in Graaff-Reinet, 9 for DR. Slightly warmer for Bloemfontein with a high of 13. The same for Uppington, 15 in Cape Town. The same for Port Elizabeth, slightly warmer for East London. Durban peaks at 23, 21 in Joburg, 23 as well in Pretoria. A warm 27 is forecast for Mbombela. If you are going to brave the chilly weather, the only place you may find fairly good beach conditions is along the west coast, where we are expecting moderate to fresh winds throughout your Thursday. Poor beach conditions are forecast as we go further south into the southwest coastline, thanks to the wet weather forecast here and fairly big swells reaching around 4 meters. Bigger swells are forecast along the south coast, reaching around 5 meters, and waves along the coast will break at between 7 and 8 feet. Strong winds are also forecast between Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Along the east coast, we are also expecting strong winds around East London. The winds become lighter as we go further north into Durban and Richards Bay.
News that moves. eNCA.com.